Me and a couple buddies out paddling and gonna camp the night out here on a nice big pond here in Newfoundland. Snow's Pond. It's a beautiful day here. I'm a little tired, not gonna lie. I actually played a metal show last night with one of my bands, Sons of an Eastern Moon. Check us out. I'll leave a link below in the description. Yeah, we went on stage like 12 o'clock last night, so I've been at it again this morning. It's well worth it. Plus, I kind of snuck off and went home as soon as we finished, so I did get some sleep, but it was still 2 o'clock in the morning before I got to bed out of it, so hopefully that just means I'm going to sleep extra easy. Look at that! The one time I don't have the camera pointing that way and I'm here talking to this stupid camera. I hope we see that again.
Of all the times that Corey goes fishing, where he goes out.
Yeah, like...
This is the spot where he'd actually catch one.
Yeah, or 7. So this is the part of the video where I show you some drone shots and talk about what a good idea it is to make checklists before you go on a trip like this. Reason being, I forgot my entire sleep setup on this trip. Luckily, my girlfriend was kind enough to bring it out to me, so we paddled down to the end of the pond to meet her, and then I just kind of focused on paddling, getting back to the top, where we sent the drone up again to look for a campsite. Just playing a bit of catch up here to the boys. I just put the drone up in the air, looking for a campsite. Man, I can't say how valuable that's been. Just finding your way around. Not to mention the beautiful shots you get with it, but yeah, definitely recommend. Yeah, they're way up there. I don't know if you can even hear me right now. All this wind blowing past the GoPro. It wasn't supposed to be windy at all, but actually it's not really very windy, but it's just such a big pond and the wind is blowing right down it, so it's a pretty significant fetch. If you don't know what fetch is, it refers to the amount of distance over water that wind has build up waves. If the wind is blowing from the shore onto the water, the far side away will be wavier than from the side where the wind started. Fun little fact. Just check it out. A few ways. That's sunset though. I think if it's not, then there's an island behind this one. Because it was in the trees a bit there and there was a clearing. That looks like it might be it there, yeah. No, that's not it. You must be on the other side of this little island. Is there another island?
So the
first section that it comes up on, there's two that are almost adjoined, but they're only separated by a few feet. And then there's a third one that I just went around, and I'm looking at Ross. Oh, there's a couple more islands.
Then it got to be the next one.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
There wasn't much time to capture our campsite before dark, and I was good and tired at this point anyways. But I managed to send the drone up just in time to catch this breathtaking view. The sun was sinking fast, but painting beautiful colors across the edge of the sky as the moon began to overtake from the opposing horizon. Morning greeted us with another display of beautiful skies and warm temperatures, the kind that makes you wish you could stay forever. But the time had come to pack up and move on, and as much as I hated to leave, I couldn't help but feel a sense of calm excitement for the paddle back, a fitting end to another perfect escape.
He's gonna get you, Petey. He's gonna get you.